Good morning, everyone. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve today's problem of the day of lead code, which is marked easy on lead code. So, let us read about the question. The question says that we are given an array of strings of words where each string represents a word containing lowercase English letter. You are also given an integer array of weights of length 26 where weights of I represent the weight of ith lowercase of English letter. The weight of the word is defined as the sum of the weight of its character. For each word, take its weight modulo 26 and map the result to lowercase English letter using reverse alphabetical order. Like for 0 it's Z, for 1 it's Y, so on, and 25 for its A. And we have to return the string found by the concatenating the mapped character for all the words. Question is very simple and very straightforward. Just we have to implement uh, what is asked in this question. First of all, let us see. We are given a string of A, B, and C and D. And we are given a weight array where this 0 represent A, 1 represent B, 2, 3, and so on. So for A, I will get from the weight array, if I'm iterating in the weight array, what I will get? For A, I will get 5 because the weight is 5. For B, I will get 3 because the weight is 3. For C, I will get 12 because the weight is 12, and for D, I will get 14. I will get 14. After after finding the weight of each character, we have to just sum up the complete array, a complete sum of the weight. So after summing up, I will get 20, 34. So we have done till this part. We have finded the sum of the weight of the each character. We have finded the weight of the word. This is called as the weight of the word. After finding the weight of the word, we have to take the modulo 26. So if I'm going to take 34 modulo 26, I will get 8 as my remainder. And after getting 8, what I have to do? I have to just start. Suppose if I'm going to write x, y, z. Okay, so let me write p, q, r, s, t, u, v, w, x, y, z. Okay, this will be 0. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have to iterate in from the last order, and we have to find the character. So as you can see that we found the weight, we found the word, we found the after taking the modulo, we found 8 as our mapped integer. Now we have to map this integer with the character. So this integer will be mapped to R. So by this way we will get our answer as R. And this is for the one word. So after taking for ABCD, I got R. Now I will take for DEF. After doing this process, I will get I as my answer, and then for XYZ I will get ZJ as my answer. So I will be getting Rij as my output, and I will be just returning the string. You can see the constraint are very low, like word dot length is 100, and words, then each word can be have of 10 size, and the number of the values in the weights of I can be 100. So as you can see that if we are going to solve this problem in the worst time, or not in the worst time complexity, I mean, if we are going, we have to solve this problem in big of n square time of complexity. If we are going to solve this in big of n square of time complexity, it will be at max 100 into 10, that will be only 1000, which is much lesser than 10 raised to the power 8. So it will get easily passed. So let us see the code of this problem, like how we'll be doing it. So as you can see the code on my screen, first of all, I will initialize a string t of no character, like an empty string. I will start iterating in my string x, and let us start with the total score of 0. I will iterate in the words, and then I will just add up the total weight to my total score. So I am doing num minus 97 because as we know that the ASCII value of 97, ASCII value of A is 97, ASCII value of B is 98. So if we are going to directly search these values in my weight array, it will give me out of bound error, because weight 97, weight 98 does not exist in the array. So what we are going to do, we are just going to, this is called bias index. We are going to add a biasing, or I can say that I can just going to subtract minus 97, because after subtracting minus 97, I will get A for 0 and B for 1, which will be a valid index for our weights array. After doing this process, I will get my total score. Now, the main process, the main thing we have to do is, we have to just return the we have to just append the string, we have to append the character of this total score, which can be find which we can find the reverse iterating in the A B C D, or I can say in the alphabetical order. Okay, yeah. So after that, I am just going to subtract 122 minus r, 122 minus r, because as you can see that it is 97, and then how many characters we have? We have around 25 characters, because 97 will be A, B, C, D, and so on. So it will be 97, 98, 99, and the value of Z will be 122. So after adding this, I will get 122, and it will be value of my Z. So taking Z as my reference, I am going to subtract the R. So I will get 122 minus R, that is 8. For that case, I will get 114. And as you can see in ASCII table, 114 refers to 114 will be referring to R. So we will get our R. We will get our character. Now I will append this character into my string, and then I will just returning my string. I'm returning my string. So this problem can be solved in big of n square of time complexity. So just let us submit this problem. Now you can see it got successfully submitted.